In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VPN on Windows 11 Updated 2026 Full Guide. If you want a safer connection on public Wi-Fi or you need secure access to work resources, the built-in VPN tools in Windows 11 make setup simple. Before you begin, make sure you have your VPN details ready from your provider or workplace. Things like the server name or address, your username and password, and if required, the VPN type or a pre-shared key. Keep those credentials private and avoid saving them on a shared computer. Start by opening Settings. The quickest way is to press Windows and the letter I together on your keyboard. Once Settings is open, look to the left side and choose Network and Internet. This is where Windows manages your Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and VPN connections. In the main panel, select VPN. You'll see an option to add a new profile. Click Add VPN to open the setup window. At the top of the Add a VPN connection window, you'll find a drop-down labeled VPN Provider. If your service supports Windows built-in client, select Windows built-in. Many popular services and most workplace connections work this way. Give your connection a name you'll recognize later, such as a short label for your company or provider. In the server name or address box, enter the exact address provided to you. Accuracy here is essential for a successful connection. For VPN type, you can usually leave it on automatic and Windows will negotiate the best protocol. If your organization specifies something like IKEV2 or L2TP/IPsec with a pre-shared key, choose it from the list and enter any additional information they supplied. Under Type of Sign-In Info, pick how you authenticate. Most home users will select username and password. Enter those credentials if you want Windows to remember them, or leave them blank to be prompted each time you connect. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll be taken back to the VPN page where your new profile appears. Select that profile and click Connect. Windows will attempt to establish a secure tunnel. Within a few moments, you should see the status change to Connected. While connected, your internet traffic is routed through the VPN, which can help protect your data and may change your apparent location online. If the connection fails, double-check the server address, your login details, and that your subscription or workplace account is active. If your provider specifies a particular protocol, set it explicitly rather than leaving it on automatic. That's it. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, choose VPN, add your details, save, and connect. You're now ready to use a VPN on Windows 11 with confidence.